13-1, theoretical and experimental probability. You already know this concept, but we need to just review it quickly. With theoretical probability, we always write P of whatever event it is equal to the number of favorable outcomes divided by the number of possible outcomes. An example of that, if we have the word school, probability of having an S is 1, because there's one S, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters, so it's 1 out of 6. The probability of an O, there are 2 O's in that 6-letter word, so it's 2 out of 6, which always simplify your fractions, so it's 1 out of 3. You can also do probability of a complement. When we are working on that concept, it's the probability of your event plus the probability of not the event equals 1. It's much simpler than that. We have the probability of not having an O. So when we had the O, it was 2 out of 6. So that means there's 4 out of 6 of not having an O. And we just simplify again that fraction. The last concept in 13-1 is your experimental probability. So it is the probability of your event is equal to the number of times the event occurs divided by the number of times the experiment is done. In other words, your trials. So you will have a sheet that is handed to you. Roll your dice 50 times and you will complete the first page of your probability packet. And that completes 13-1.